To answer question number 10, okay, so first let's analyze the question. Okay, so we have the value of Kc, the initial concentration of each species, okay, and also the question asks you to find the concentration of this species at equilibrium. So the first step, okay, you have to construct your reaction table. Use the concentration terms, okay, since we have the concentration initial and also the value of Kc. Since both the reactants and product are present initially, okay, find the value of Qc. Okay, find the value of Qc. Next, compare the value of Qc and Kc, okay, and then predict the direction of the reaction, okay, and last but not least, find the concentration of the species at equilibrium by using the Kc value. Right, so that's how you answer this question. For question 11, so we have hydrogen and iodine mixed at 229 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the volume of the container. When the equilibrium is established, okay, okay, the concentration of each species are given. Alright, so if an additional of 0.3 molar, okay, of hydrogen iodide is added, what concentration will be present when the new equilibrium is established? So to answer this question, first step, okay, from the concentration of each species at equilibrium, okay, find the value of Kc. Second step, construct a reaction table. Okay, construct a reaction table with the additional of 0.3 molar hydrogen iodide. So this is how your reaction table should be. Okay, the concentration at equilibrium just now will become your initial concentration because we already disturbed the system. Okay, we add the 0.3 molar of the hydrogen iodide. So these three will become your initial concentration. And after that, okay, find the value of Qc and then compare your Qc with Kc. Okay, predict the direction. Okay, predict the direction of the reaction, and after that you can find the new concentration at equilibrium, okay, by using the same Kc that you find in 1 just now.